Hello, all. A warm welcome to Our Diaries. Homemaking does not only involve cooking, cleaning, doing laundry, but it also involves managing the household from various perspectives. Like we keep buying essential or sometimes unnecessary items for our home, but after a certain time, due to some mismanagement, these items create clutter at different places. So we need to keep checking for these hidden spaces that get secretly occupied and make our home look like a cluttered place. So I'm going to share with you all some very common hidden or secret spaces that you can make clutter free with little or no effort. Our bedroom is the most comfortable place for all of us to relax, and that is why we keep adding daily use items on our bedside table slowly, and we don't even realize it. But suddenly, one day we notice that our bedside table has now become a cluttered place. So, to avoid this, first of all, we can place a basket here to keep all the needed stuff. And second, we can properly check whether all these things kept here are necessary to be kept here or not. So choose only stuff that you definitely need while sitting on the bed and keep the rest of the stuff somewhere else. Like here, if I want, I can hide this notebook in the drawer and remove the tissue box from here. However, it depends if you need all these things, how you organize them.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Generally, we all have these types of small hidden spaces between some appliances and walls. So we always take advantage of these small spaces and keep hiding unnecessary stuff which is not very important, but we keep them for unknown future purposes because it is an empty space.
I wrote today.
But this way we only create the clutter. So we should not occupy all the nooks and corners completely we see at home.
To see the horizon and the far. Excuses were too.
Make a proper place for everything to keep and organize, but don't keep any stuff just anywhere in the house wherever you see a small space like this.
On my face, all that ever was.
You can see I have made an arrangement here to put this wire extension, as I always avoid any drilling in the wall. Also, we can put some extra grocery items like this, which is just a single packet, but not all the useless stuff. Similarly, as shown in my previous video, you can also utilize this type of narrow space by keeping single item, but don't create any clutter by putting so many items. You can buy any cabinet or rack also for these hidden spaces to look beautiful and to make it useful.
It's a good day
Another big mistake we sometimes make is that we keep piling dirty clothes to the top of the basket because we think it's all inside and therefore won't look messed up. However, when we go to wash this laundry, we face the real problem, as we cannot wash this pile of dirty clothes in one cycle. Now you have to do it in two or three cycles, and then we start finding it a burden. Apart from this, you also get a large number of washed clothes after washing, which will also take a lot of time to fold, iron, and put away in the wardrobe. So always do the laundry in small batches for your ease, but don't just keep piling them. Empty space on refrigerator is also one of those places where we keep putting all the possible random items we can. Whenever we are in hurry and see any jar or box on countertop, we keep them on refrigerator to make space on countertop but not at their designated place. When we are busy in cooking or something, we keep the packets or boxes on top of it because we find the only empty space in rush. This is at some height and we think it will not be visible either. Similarly, some fruits, some nuts, some other daily used items we keep putting on it and make it all cluttered. And later we face difficulties also to find them. So, to avoid this chaotic situation, we can make this space well organized by keeping all those daily used items in a proper manner and not leaving it as an empty space. Like I am using this lazy Susan to accommodate all the nuts and spreads. This I don't use daily, so keeping it behind. I also keep banana and some ketchup pouches here. Now we will not keep any random stuff on this refrigerator and it will look all organized and managed.
You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal.
We all feel tempted when we see beautiful tea or coffee mugs in the market and we immediately buy them without giving a single thought. We don't realize that we are already running out of space in the cupboard because of these temptations. So, to overcome this situation, we can either stop buying this extra stuff or we can donate the old cups or mugs or even reuse them for some other purposes. You can also pack them back safely so that when you feel bored with the new ones, after some time, you could take out the old ones to refresh your cabinet. We all have a habit of collecting medicine that we use when we get sick and to help us in future also if we fall ill, which is a good habit. However, we always forget after storing them. And when we need them next time, we see that most of them are already expired. So basically, we keep collecting this waste even in these little boxes. Therefore, try to check the expiration date of these medicines from time to time and throw them away accordingly so that they don't occupy too much valuable space in your cupboard. This may sound funny, however, it is true. Yes, our handbag is also one of those small spaces which accumulates a lot of unused or extra items over the time, like hand cream, baby cream, hand sanitizer, napkin, pen, pencil, candies, rubber bands, and many such things. Sometimes we keep collecting unnecessary papers, visiting cards also, but forget to throw them. So, because of these extra items, after a certain time, our handbag starts feeling quite heavy and full of unnecessary items. Therefore, we should always take some time to remove unnecessary items from our handbags. I can't remove everything, but yes, I can pick what all is important and needed for travel. With that, it's a wrap. I shall see you in my next video. Please like this video and subscribe to About Diaries. Bye.